Here are some of the world's most ancient artifacts, timeless golden rods, the world's earliest and tallest bronze sacred tree, the world's largest and most complete bronze statues, the most bronze heads and masks discovered at one time, with more than 50 pieces. This was all a great discovery of a local Chinese farmer. All stories, all legends, all beautiful imaginings begin here. My name is Keith. Today I'm going into the Sanxingdui Museum in Guanghan, Sichuan. The deputy curator, Zhu Yarong, will take me to experience the unique Sanxingdui civilization in ancient China.
你好，
你好，你好。
就带着你到我们青铜馆去看一看吧。
啊，是的。 The Sanxingdui civilization was a splendid, ancient civilization of bronzes, cities, and large-scale ceremonial buildings. I was deeply impressed by the bronze busts. The facial features and details of these characters are special. And this civilization is hard to find in the vast expanse of Chinese ancient borrowings. After getting to see the bronze divine tree up close, I was really amazed to see the details that were available to me. The bronze sacred tree is the treasure of the Sanxingdui Museum. The height is just short of 4 meters, measuring in at 3.96 meters tall. It is also the largest bronze cultural relic of the same period in the world. It's superb. There are 3 tiers and 9 branches, each with a bird and a dragon underneath.
这棵神树也是1986年在三星堆2号祭祀坑里出土的，当时呢都是非常破碎的，不是现在这个样子，碎成很多的片。而且我们根据这个清理的祭祀坑里所出土的这些个体，可以识别的呢，可能三星堆一共有大大小小的8棵神树，但是最终我们目前已经完成修复的就仅只有这一个青铜神树，而且这个青铜神树我们是花了3年。这位老师呢是我们博物馆陈列保管部的郭汉忠郭部长，
你好，郭老师。
他也是我们的文物修复师。
Curator Zhu took me to the Cultural Relics Restoration Room, where the sacred tree is being restored. I am honored to see this restoration process that no more than 20 people have seen before. Curator Zhu told me that in another 6 months, the sacred tree will be restored. When it meets with the audience, it will cause sensation in the world. When the deputy curator told me that I could experience making a bronze mask in the style of Sanxingdui today, I couldn't believe my luck. We start with plastic molds, carving, which I'm not so good at, and then we cover it with silicone. Then we pour the wax. There is another episode here.
然后再倒。康生，你来，你让师傅教教你。康生来拿，舀一点，小心烫手啊。啊，不要多了啊，然后再翻一下，翻过来，再来一点啊，然后摇匀。 摇一下，要让蜡在里面均匀的流动。
It was a pretty amazing experience that humbled me because I usually think I'm pretty good at things, and I was terrible. From the unearthed fragments now being observed, appreciated, discussed, and studied by the people in the Sanxingdui Museum, these splendid and unique civilizations are being presented to the world by the craftsmen of 2 periods. Their past and present lives have helped me better understand the Chinese national character and aesthetic. It also shows that China has already integrated with various civilizations in the world since ancient times, open, tolerant, and learning from each other.